Your next car could be the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make every off-road adventure all it can be in this capable 4Runner. From its rugged, trail-focused design to its comfortable interior, this is the go-to vehicle for your outdoor lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, dual zone AC. Don't miss the chance to make your off-road dreams come true. Get behind the wheel of this rugged 4Runner and go. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.